In a quiet room, a person is typing away at their laptop with incredible speed, their fingers flying over the keys as if they were racing against time. But suddenly, the laptop lets out a comical sneeze and shuts down unexpectedly. The shock on their face is palpable as they try to comprehend the bizarre turn of events, and as they lean closer to the machine, they can't help but let out a laugh at the absurdity of a laptop sneezing. With a chuckle, they take a sip from their coffee, realizing that perhaps this is a sign to slow down and appreciate the quirks of technology as the laptop looks back at them with an embarrassed expression.